Hey guys, today we're going to work on translating figures on a coordinate grid. A figure is just a shape. So in this case, we're going to be translating this triangle. Let's take a look at the directions. Translate or slide the figure 4 units down and 5 units to the left. What are the new coordinates? These are just directions, 4 units down and 5 units to the left. Anytime I get directions like that over to the side, I like to just do a simple drawing, 4 down and then 5 left. And this helps me stay organized. So when they talk about moving this figure, moving this triangle, what they actually mean is moving each point of this figure. So I'm going to put a dot on the 3 points of my triangle. 1, 2, 3. And these are the things that I need to move down and to the left. So I'm just going to pick any point. I'm going to pick this lower right point first. And I want to move that point 4 down. So I'm going to put my pen on that point. I'm going to move 4 down. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not done yet though, because I need to go 5 to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I can drop that point off. That new gray blob is this point. I just moved it 4 down and 5 to the left. Let's take a look at this one next. The directions are still the same. I'm going to put my pen on that point and move 4 down and 5 to the left. So from that point, count 4 lines down. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now from there, 5 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And drop it off. Now my last point. I'm going to do my top point. From there, I'm going to count 4 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and drop it off. Okay, this is super sloppy. So let me quick get my eraser. Okay. And now I should be able to redraw that so that it's easier for you to see. Once I moved those points down, they were there, there, and there. And if I trace my figure, then I just moved my whole triangle down. I didn't change anything about it, just where it was sitting. It looks exactly the same. It's a little fatter now. Sorry about my pen. I just moved it 4 down and 5 to the left. Let's take a look at another one. If the figure, and in this case you can see that the figure here is a rectangle, if the figure is translated 3 units to the right and 4 units up, what will be the new coordinates? Okay, let's take a look. If the rectangle is translated 3 to the right, so I want to go 3 to the right and 4 units up, what will be the new coordinates? Okay, this is the part I didn't do in the last one, is list the coordinates. So let's move the whole figure and then we'll list it. The things I care about in this rectangle are the 4 points. So I'm going to find those first. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I want to move those 3 to the right and 4 units up. I'm going to start with this top right point. I'm going to be a little less sloppy about it this time. And I'm going to count 3 to the right, 1, 2, 3, and then 4 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and drop it off. So that was the top right one. Let's do the lower right one. 3 to the right, 1, 2, 3, and up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and drop it off. Let's do top left. From that point, I'm going to count 3 to the right, 1, 2, 3, and now 4 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, drop off my point. Last one, lower left. Count 3 to the right, 1, 2, 3, and then 4 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and drop it off. Now, if I connect those, you can see I have my very same rectangle, just translated or slid 3 to the right and 4 up. But it asked, what are my new coordinates? The easiest way to name these is with the alphabet. I'm just going to go around and call them A, B, C, D. So then when I moved my rectangle, those letters stay the same, but the new one, you'll see this little apostrophe next to it. That's called a prime. So my new one is A prime, B prime, C prime, and D prime. Let's go ahead and list those coordinates. The coordinates of A prime are going to be -6, 3. B prime is -3, 3. C prime is -3, 1. And D prime is -6, 1. That's all I got. Your turn to practice.